Hello everyone. So today's problem is if A and B are finite sets and A is a subset of B, then what can we conclude? Options are given. See, this is a question from Karnataka CET exam, right? So our given data are A and B are finite sets and A is a subset of B. See, we can do this simply in a Venn diagram manner. See, it is given A is a subset of B. So let me take this is our A and this is our set B. Fine. See, this diagram, it shows A is a subset of B. So by making use of this diagram itself, we can conclude it, right? So what is the first option says? N of A union B is equal to N of B. What is N of A union B? See, A union B is a set. N of A union B means it is a cardinality of A union B. That is a number of elements in A union B. Okay. So they are saying the number of elements in the set A union B is equal to the number of elements in the set B. Okay. First, let us see whether the sets are equal. If the sets are equal, then it is very easy to conclude that they have same number of elements, right? So let us see. See, look at here. This is A is a subset of B. What is A union B? If A is a subset of B, what will be A union B? This is A is a subset of B. So the A union B, the whole union is going to be B, simply B, right? So A union B is equal to B in this case, since A is a subset of B. Yeah, here itself I think it works. So A union B itself is a B. B is equal to B. So N of B is equal to N of B. That is N of A union B is equal to N of B, right? So I think this is the right answer. Let us check the other options. Okay, so what is that? N of A intersection B. Sorry. This is our A and this is our B. Okay. N of A intersection B. See, when A is a subset of B, what is the intersection? What is the common portion for A and B? It is simply A, right? So it says that here A intersection B is equal to A, since A is a subset of B, right? Look at this, common portion is simply A. So N of A is equal to N of B. Is it so? No, need not to be. If our A and B are looking like this, in this case A is not equal to B, so N of A is need not to be equal to N of B, right? So we can omit this option. This is wrong. So let us go for the third one. What the third one says, N of A intersection B is equal to empty. See, this is possible, but this is need not to be true always, right? Look at here. What is A intersection B? A intersection B is simply A, since A is a subset of B. So what they are saying, N of A is equal to an empty set. See, here itself actually you can, by the statement itself you can omit it, because N of A union B says the number. Empty is a set. If they would have given N of A intersection B is equal to 0 or some number, maybe we can consider it. But they are saying this is a number. This is a number. N of A union B is a number. Empty is a set. How you can compare number and set? No, right? So from that clue itself we can omit it. Even usually we think it of, that is wrong actually. If you consider 0 also, it need not to be work, because if A is an empty set only, even if you put 0 that will work. But here A need not to be empty always. Okay, leave it. So look at the third option. What the third option says, N of A union B is equal to N of A. See, when A is a subset of B, what is A union B? Just now we have seen that is simply B. See, so what they are saying by the fourth option, N of B is equal to N of A, which means that is not possible, right? Because A is need not to be equal to B always. So we can omit this option also. So the right option is option A.